What's up with y'all, man? Coming to another reaction to reacting to Giveon for tonight, the official music video. Be honest with y'all, I didn't know he dropped anything until this was an ad on my Spotify, and I was like, oh shit, Giveon just dropped some new shit. I gotta listen to it. I got to. This is my guy. His album was great. My favorite track off of there was Favorite Mistake, and I love that song. I cried to a little bit. It's probably one of my favorite songs to listen to in slow reverb. So Giveon's on a song? Let's see what the fuck is going on. Nigga, look, he just came out of like the gates of heaven. Oh, let me get the brightness again. Okay, we can continue.
We've been done long before it all begun.
Oh, his voice.
Still can't give it up.
Okay. Pretty standard Giveon. This is pretty standard Giveon. I liked it. I like it a lot. I like the few 24 seconds of it. It's standard Giveon. Nothing bad has happened. Nothing crazy has happened. But it's standard and I like it so far.
Lead me on, but leave before the morning.
Oh my god.
Even though it's what we want, can't keep this up.
Oh, the D voice.
But I don't wanna leave you. Might just
ooh, this beat is hard, nigga. Hold up.
just know it the reasons we both
this beat is so hard, yo.
and secret, both gotta keep honest, that's just a game we know. We
Oh, his voice.
for tonight.
Oh, yo, that legit gave me goosebumps. The high note, hold up, we gotta go back. That legit gave me goosebumps.
For tonight.
Oh, and he hits the high notes and then the beat. And I don't know what that slamming of, it sounds like something like getting a book and slamming it on a desk. That sound in the back. It sounds like a teacher getting a whole book and slam it on the desk. I don't know what it is.
For tonight.
Yeah. Doesn't that sound like a whole teacher's like slamming a book on a desk? I swear to you, it does. Don't ask me how I know that. I was a really dumb kid. I like the fit, but it kind of looks like you look like a janitor about to go to sleep. Cause it looks like a janitor mixed with pajamas. I like the kicks, so I rob them bitches real fast. Damn, this shit better make me get a little emotional.
We've become numb to what we know is
Damn. This shit. Oh, bruh. Oh my god, yo. I can't wait. If he drops another album, man, we're reacting to that shit. We got reacted to, When It's All Said and Done. We got reacted to that. I liked most of the tracks on there. It's a really great album. So if he drops another album, we're definitely gonna react to it.
the feelings rush every single time we touch. Even though it's what we want, can't keep this up. No, but I just don't wanna leave you. Might just know it the reasons why we both can't lay here. And secret, gotta keep it honest.
Why is the beat so hard? The beat is so hard in the back, yo.
That's just a game.
Who produced this?
No, we both can play.
I also love the cinematography. I really do. I really do.
For tonight, I'm yours.
You ever shot this shit? It's great.
So deny the truth. Or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie
God damn, this nigga's voice.
with you.
It's basically he's talking about how he just wants to be with her just for the night. If it's, I think he's talking about one night stand. If not, I think I'm wrong. I think he's talking about being with her for like for the night forever. I think he's talking about one night stand though.
For tonight I'm yours.
Yeah, see, the one night stand.
So deny the truth or stay behind closed doors.
This nigga has it,
'Cause all
yo.
I wanna do is
Yeah.
lie with you.
Oh my gosh.
Even though it's wrong, I'll lie with you.
This song right here, how can I give it? I give it a 9.8. I like this song a lot, a 9.8. This shit is really good. I don't know why, but I feel like this should have been more high notes. So I'll probably give this shit a 10 out of 10. Probably give me like a different instrumental that would shock my brain. But 9.8 is, this nigga is great, bro. If you're going to release another album, it's crazy how every track he blows me away. It's hard for me to even say anything. But the instrumental, I think, is vastly different from the whole album. It kind of gives me, I don't know, what it gives me a vibe from his older songs. I can't really pinpoint it, but I want to say Like I Want You, but it's not that. Like I Want You and this song are vastly different from each other, so I don't know. I want to say Heartbreak Anniversary just to say it kind of reminds me of Heartbreak Anniversary a little bit, but yeah, I like this song a lot, man. That's all I have to say. Like and subscribe. I'm out this bitch. Y'all niggas have a great day, man.